Welcome back to Red Mix Facts. We humans are curious creatures. We love to solve puzzles and uncover secrets, yet we often carry mysteries within our own bodies. One such mystery is the appendix. Have you ever wondered why we even have an appendix? If it's so useless, why didn't evolution just get rid of it? Could removing it be affecting our gut health more than we think? For years we thought it was useless, a leftover bit from our evolutionary past. But what if we were wrong? What if the appendix isn't just a useless tube, but serves a hidden purpose? Recent discoveries suggest that this might be the case. The appendix, it turns out, may be far more important than we ever realized. Scientists are beginning to uncover the appendix's secrets. This little organ, once dismissed as insignificant, could play a vital role in our health. It might be involved in our gut health and even our immune system. In this exploration, we delve into the fascinating world of the appendix, challenging old assumptions and embracing new discoveries. Join us as we unravel the mystery of this often overlooked organ. Imagine a small, narrow tube connected to your large intestine. That's your appendix. It's usually about the size of your little finger, but its size can vary. It sits in the lower right abdomen, and for a long time, doctors and scientists didn't understand what it did. Some thought it might have been useful to our ancestors who ate a very different diet. However, this theory has been largely disregarded in recent decades. Early anatomists were baffled by the appendix. They couldn't find a clear function for it. With no obvious purpose, the appendix gained a reputation as a useless leftover. This view persisted for centuries, even influencing medical practice. The appendix became known as a troublesome organ, prone to painful inflammation and often surgically removed. Since people seemed fine after its removal during appendicitis, the assumption of uselessness persisted. But new studies are beginning to challenge this outdated belief. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of gut bacteria. Our intestines are home to trillions of these microscopic creatures, collectively known as the gut microbiota. These bacteria aren't just harmless passengers, they play a crucial role in our health. They help us digest food, produce vitamins, and even influence our immune system. Recent research suggests that the appendix might act as a reservoir for these beneficial bacteria. Imagine the appendix as a safe house for good bacteria. When we experience diarrhea or other digestive upsets that flush out our gut microbiota, the appendix steps in. It releases its store of beneficial bacteria, helping to repopulate the gut and restore balance. This supports a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for immunity and nutrient absorption. This discovery has revolutionized our understanding of the appendix, shifting it from a useless organ to a potential key player in maintaining a healthy gut. This function is especially important in areas with poor sanitation where infections are more common. The appendix's role in our health doesn't end with gut bacteria. Researchers suspect it also plays a part in our immune system. The appendix contains lymphatic tissue, which is vital for immune function. Lymphatic tissue produces and stores white blood cells, the body's defense against infections. While the appendix's exact role in immunity remains unclear, its structure and the presence of lymphatic tissue suggest it's involved. It may help the body recognize and respond to pathogens early on, acting as a first line of defense. Think of the appendix as a training ground for immune cells. Scientists believe it helps to educate the immune system, teaching it to differentiate between harmless substances and harmful invaders. This training is crucial for developing a healthy and balanced immune response. So, while the appendix may not be on the front lines of fighting infection, it could be working behind the scenes, ensuring our immune system is well prepared. Despite its potential benefits, the appendix is infamous for causing trouble. Appendicitis, the inflammation of the appendix, can be a serious and painful condition. It occurs when the appendix becomes blocked, usually by feces, a foreign object, or in rare cases, a tumor. The blockage causes the appendix to swell, leading to pain, nausea, and fever. If left untreated, the appendix can rupture, spreading infection throughout the abdomen. Appendicitis is a relatively common condition affecting about 7% of people in their lifetime. While it can happen at any age, it's most common in those aged 10 to 30. When appendicitis strikes, the usual course of action is surgical removal of the appendix, a procedure known as an appendectomy. While removing a potentially beneficial organ might seem counterintuitive, it's often the safest option to prevent life-threatening complications. Humans aren't the only ones with appendixes. These curious organs are found in various shapes and sizes throughout the animal kingdom. Interestingly, the appendix is more common in herbivores, particularly those with plant-based diets. For example, rabbits and koalas have a well-developed appendix that helps them digest tough plant matter. This observation further supports the idea that the appendix plays a role in gut health. The presence of the appendix in diverse animal species suggests it's not just a useless evolutionary leftover. Its persistence throughout evolution hints at a beneficial function that has been preserved over millions of years. By studying the appendix in different animals, researchers hope to gain further insights into its role in humans. So, where does this leave us with the appendix? It's clear that this small organ, once dismissed as insignificant, is more complex than we initially thought. While we don't yet fully understand its functions, emerging research suggests it plays valuable roles in gut health and immunity. These findings challenge the long-held view of the appendix as a useless evolutionary remnant. The appendix's story is a reminder that our bodies are complex and interconnected systems. Even seemingly insignificant organs can have important roles to play. As our understanding of the appendix evolves, we can expect to see new strategies for managing appendicitis. Perhaps, in the future, we'll find ways to preserve this organ and harness its potential benefits for human health. The journey of the appendix from a useless vestige to a potentially vital organ highlights the ever-evolving nature of scientific discovery. What was once considered medical textbook knowledge is now being challenged and rewritten. This newfound appreciation for the appendix reminds us to approach the human body with a sense of wonder and curiosity. There's still much we don't know, and each discovery opens up new avenues for exploration. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the appendix, one thing is certain. This small organ, once relegated to the sidelines of human biology, deserves a second look. It's a reminder that our bodies are full of surprises and that even the smallest, seemingly insignificant parts can have a profound impact on our health and well-being. The appendix, once a symbol of evolutionary redundancy, now stands as a testament to the incredible complexity and adaptability of the human body. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more Red Mix Facts adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.